Hey everybody, use supporter creator code Fusion here. I'd really appreciate it. Hey, what's going on guys? Fusion here and welcome to a new video. So guys, today I am so excited to announce my FuZIonHere's thumbnail pack number 2. So guys, I made my first thumbnail pack about I think 8 months ago, and the support was absolutely insane on that video guys. It currently has 11,000 views on the video and 6,000 downloads of the pack. So guys, if you don't know who I am already, I make multiple videos a week. I mostly play Fortnite, I do some Photoshop content, and I also live stream on the weekends on my Twitch, which my Twitch is linked in the description. Now, while you guys are most importantly here, the thumbnail pack. So guys, if you do want to download the thumbnail pack, all you simply have to do is drop a like on the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And then all you want to do is simply click on wishes2.com/FZKOX, and you'll be taken here. You can see some ads, but all you want to do is just click I'm not a robot and then click continue. Then once you click that, you will wait 10 seconds and then click get link, and then it will take you straight to Mediafire and then the download link right here for my pack. You just want to click it. It will download. It might take a minute or two because it is 94 megabytes. This actually is a really big pack, and then you want to just simply open up the pack. So guys, here is my thumbnail pack number 2. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to be showing you guys the whole entire pack. It's going to be really cool. I'm going to give you guys a little tour. And guys, please note that this pack will change a lot. I quickly threw together this pack. I think that it is a big improvement over the last one, but there still is going to be a ton of changes over the next couple months. So every couple months, guys, come back, check the description, and re-download the pack, and there probably will be a new version. So guys, first when you open up, you can see thanks for using my pack. Please follow and subscribe. This is a Photoshop only pack. Here is my Twitch, my YouTube. Hit me with that follow and subscribe. When you hide this layer, you can then see the background layer, which does say FuZIonHere's thumbnail pack 2, Twitch, and YouTube. So we are going to go through everything. So first off, we do have color correction. I did not make this. I'm trying to figure out who did make this color correction because I will shout them out. Simply what this color correction does is it makes things a little bit darker or brighter. As you can see, if you apply all 3 of them, everything gets pretty dark. It's pretty cool. I usually use the top and the bottom one. You can see it just makes everything a lot more vibrant and just beautiful looking. Second, we do have borders. As you can see, we have the rainbow border, the thick white border, then we have the white border, the black border, and then the blue lines border. I really like this one. And then the clear border. Then moving down, we do have the Fortnite overlays folder, which has the white spikes big, the white spikes small, the blue box, and then the victory royale. And then next we do have logos. There is quite a few new ones here. We have the YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Discord, Xbox, and PlayStation logo right here. Then moving down to game logos, we do have Clash Royale, Rainbow Six Siege, Call of Duty World War II, Call of Duty Black Ops 2, Call of Duty Black Ops 4, Minecraft, Fortnite, Fortnite Battle Royale, and Fortnite Save the World. Moving down, we have a ton of emojis, which I'm not even going to show you guys. So yeah, here's the emojis. You know, there's a ton of them. Yeah. Now moving to the arrows. We have this arrow, this one, this one, this one, this one, this, and this one. So quite a bit of arrows there. For circles, here's the circles that we do have. I want to be adding a few more of these soon. X's and check marks. Here are the X's, and here are the check marks. Extra, this is a not new folder. This used to be called buttons before, and all it had was a live one. But now extra is going to have all sorts of cool little things. It's mostly going to have like little mouse pointers and stuff. But first, we have live, Then we have the mouse pointer, the mouse hand, the Xbox controller, and the headphones. So yeah, pretty cool little folder there. Next we do have dividers. We have the right divider, the middle divider, left divider, and the thin tilted boxes. Really cool. Next we have Fortnite characters. There's so many of these now. There used to only be 3 characters in the last pack. We have 11 now. So as you can see, we have Chomp Senior, Burnout, Tomato Head, Codename Elf, Black Knight, Blue Squire, Cloaked Star, Merry Marauder, Ginger Gunner, Overtaker, and Skull Trooper. All those characters you can use for your Fortnite thumbnails, which is sick. Next, we do have the Fortnite shop. Now, I feel like a lot of people won't know how to use this unless I show you, so I'm going to show you guys right now how to use this. So you simply want to enable all these layers here, including this one, and as you can see, it looks something like this. Now, all you want to do is, if you simply want to make a thumbnail where the shop has a certain character in it, you just want to go and get a character image. Now that I have got 2 characters, all you simply want to do is size them down, fit them in the little box right here, and we're not going to do it perfect, but we're just going to put these in here for a little example. And as you can see, then you can edit the text to say whatever you want it to, and boom, you have your own little custom Fortnite shop here. You can get the current shop, so all you have is what you have edited for the feature shop, and then the current shop is on the right. It's super cool. You can come in here on the left featured shop, you know, you can take away the V-Bucks. You can actually go into up here, and as you can see, there's a mount, so you can change this to be whatever amount of V-Bucks you want, which is super cool. So that's how you use the Fortnite shop. Moving on, we do have lighting effects. So right here we have light top, dark sides, and dark top and bottom. This is super useful if you do want to have some sort of lighting effect like this, like a dark looking thumbnail. Then background effects, we do actually have 3 new ones here. So first, we do have rainbow overlay. You can turn this down to whatever you want, so we'll put it on about 50 here. And now that it is on 50, as you can see, you can have some sort of cool effect like this. You have the foggy effect, you have the blotchy effect, which is pretty cool, and then you have the lines effect. So some pretty cool effects here. I'll definitely be using some of those in the future, hopefully. Next, we have the color backgrounds. We'll start from the bottom and go up. We have this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. All very cool looking backgrounds. Next, we do have the Fortnite backgrounds. So starting from the bottom, we do have the Season 3 Moonwalker, the Llama with the Cube, Paradise Palms, Greasy Grove, Haunted Hills, Retail Row, Salty Springs, Shifty Shafts, Truck with Chest, Lonely Lodge 2, and Lonely Lodge. So guys, that is all there is for FuZIonHere's thumbnail pack number 2. So I really appreciate you everybody for checking out this pack. Please note, I did not create 100% of the content in this pack. I have used some stuff from other packs, but the majority of things in here I did put together and make into a complete pack. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys later.